Your time is valuable, and at Bodewell, we make every second count. We are the only appliance service that offers premium care with local manufacturer trained experts who go above and beyond to get your home back on track. You can contact us through our concierge service with questions about your appliance or schedule an in-home appointment online at your own convenience. Every service visit begins with a simple call or text, letting you know our appliance experts are on their way. We believe that your home is your haven. That's why Bodewell goes the extra mile to make sure your home stays clean and protected during each of our service visits. Bodewell is the expert you trust. With clear options and honest advice, you'll be empowered to decide what's best for your home. Whether it's a simple repair which could be completed in the same day with genuine parts, or even a complete replacement or upgrade, just visit one of our preferred partner resellers where you can purchase and store. We're with you every step of the way. When you become a Bodewell member, you'll get exclusive benefits like special savings, free delivery and installation, and smart home support for any of your connected appliances. We can register all of the appliances in your home so that any future visits are quick and efficient. At Bodewell, we don't just fix appliances, we restore your peace of mind. With a trusted tech you can always rely on, your busy life will never miss a beat. Bodewell, your appliance care experts.